With what?
Nothing.
Wow, we're running late because of you as usual. Yeah. So today we're gonna be doing a photo shoot with Superstreet because Marco's been talking to someone on Instagram and they want to feature the car.
Yeah, so my buddy hit me up and he's like, he works for Superstreet now. Let's do a feature on it, and they agreed, so we're going to do that now. Slave cylinder's fixed. Hopefully we make it and everything's good.
Oh, try again. Oh, try again.
Well, the car's working. It's way better than the other day. We went to drive on Rodeo and it was literally
out of the driveway, so hold on.
Like you said, it feels great.
Yeah, it feels great, but no, I don't know.
I'm a positive thinker, so I know that it's gonna feel good. That dude's yelling from his house, bro.
So I could just make a turn.
Or that, yeah.
We just got here to the spot. It's probably like an hour away from where we were at, but like this shit's, it's a cool area. We were literally here for like 3 minutes, maybe 5. We're about to go do some rollers. The camera car is gonna be over there, and then they're gonna get some good sunset shots. Right now. Here we come, Elon!
You know what? Is that actually happened?
This is such a cool spot, bro. Like, oh my god. Look how beautiful this is. So we do, when the train stops, they have an anti-lag show. That's what happens. Hey, he said run it back. So that's what you do when the train stopped, huh?
Yeah, we gotta have some fun somewhere.
Anti-lag show is officially over. Why are you always saying about eating? I'm so hungry. I'm fucking hungry too, though. Bro, we barely eat here. We literally had. What do we have today?
I still have heartburn today. Like, it still hurts. We gotta stop eating like trash, is what we gotta stop doing.
But I feel like we're gonna say that though. We're still gonna eat like trash though. It's okay. We're going hiking tomorrow.
I'm not going anywhere near the hiking.
Are you serious?
Reason in Cali, I never thought that I'd be cold out here. I left cold Chicago, 30 degrees, to be in the warm, and it's freezing.
It literally feels like it's 30 degrees right now.
Oh my
I don't know if that's because like we're by the water or by the ocean or what.
But we got this shoot done, and we're heading back. We got like an hour drive. We're gonna probably meet up with Andrew, but we gotta eat something first because it's fucking. I'm hungry.
Yeah, we gotta eat, dude. My stomach's literally eating itself. Bro, that sounds insane, bro. Here's what you're gonna do, because I gotta fire composition real quick. Go make a U-turn, and you're gonna park right here. Where? Right there. Like literally right there? These are parking spaces.
How can I fit there?
I swear. Look, there's a car parked
How
right
are we
there.
gonna get around?
You guys could go through here. Chill on that side. Took us to the fucking famous
best
pho ever.
It's fun, actually.
Motherfuckers.
I ate all the noodles.
What are those?
Better than that junk you guys are wearing. Bro. Look at that ugly shit.
Bro, who the fuck wears Moonwalks?
Bro, it doesn't.
Take the Dior's out. I know you have Dior's in just driving on fucking sidewalks and shit. Holy f. No chill, bro. No chill. Man's hard parked on the sidewalk.